Good morning, students. Hope all are keeping fit and fine. Welcome to Home Learning. Students, now we'll learn English of Standard 7, Unit 6, Exploring Patriotism, Activity 2, the second part, Unwelcome Visitor. So let's begin. Unwelcome Visitor, students. It is an excerpt from my experiment with truth. Now, students, what do you mean by the word excerpt? Right? What do you mean by the word excerpt? Excerpt is a short extract, a passage taken from a piece of writing. So, student, this unwelcome visitor, this piece of writing has been taken from Gandhiji's autobiography. What do you mean by autobiography, students? Right? Autobiography is the story of a person's life written by himself. Okay, so it is written by this autobiography has been written by Gandhiji, and from this book a small passage is taken which is called unwelcome visitor. Unwelcome means one who is not invited. Right? So students, here we begin. You read along with me page number, it is 52 of your textbook. So take out page number 52 of your textbook. So here we begin and you read along with me, right? The port of Natal is called Durban and also as a port Natal, right? So the port of Natal is also called Durban, right? And also as a port Natal. Abdullah Seth had come to receive me, right? So when Gandhiji went to Abdullah Seth was a friend of Gandhiji. So when Gandhiji went to South Africa, right? So his friend Abdullah Seth had come to receive me. As the ship reached the quay. Okay, before that, students, what do you mean by the port? What do you mean by the port? Right? Port, it is a place, a city with a harbor where ship loads and unload goods. Right? It is in South Africa. And what do you mean by the quay, students? Here it is quay. Quay is a platform, a landing place built along a coastline for the ships or the boats to load, right? And the people of Natal came on board to meet their friends. I realized means I came to know that Indians were not quite respected there, right? So Gandhiji, he came to know that Indians in South Africa were not respected there. I noticed a kind of rudeness. Rudeness, students, what do you mean by rudeness? Right? Rudeness means you show disrespect. You don't show respect for other people and their feelings, right? Now, in the behavior of the people who knew Abdullah Seth, it hurt me. It hurt me. I means Gandhiji felt very bad, right? He took me home and gave me the room next to his. Yes. Now they went home. Now Abdullah Seth's literacy level was low. Literacy, students, what do you mean by the literacy? Literacy means the level of ability to read and write. So it was very low. But his knowledge through experience was immense. Right? Immense means huge, enormous. His knowledge through experience. Through experience, he had taken knowledge. It was very huge. He had a sharp intellect. Yes, he was intelligent, very intelligent, he was conscious of it. Conscious means he was aware of it. He had learned sufficient. Sufficient means enough English for conversation. Conversation means informal talk between two or more people through practice. So, through practice, he had learned enough English for conversation. So, students, here we come. Now we continue with the next. He managed all his work with that kind of English, right? He was proud of Islam. He was fond of discussing philosophy, right? Now, students, what do you mean by fond? Fond, fond. Fond means here the interest of discussing philosophy, right? What do you mean by philosophy, students? Philosophy is the principles underlying all the knowledge. We continue. On the second day, he took me to see the court of Durban. So Gandhiji and Abdullah Seth are going to the court of Durban. He made me sit next to his lawyer in the court. The magistrate kept looking at me. The magistrate, now student, what do you mean by magistrate? A low ranking judicial officer is called magistrate. He kept looking at Gandhiji and he asked me to take off my turban. I refused to take it off. Gandhiji refused to take it off, right, and left the court. As my luck would have it, there was a battle. There was a quarrel. There was a quarrel here as well. Abdullah Seth did not like that suggestion. Abdullah Seth did not like the suggestion of magistrate when he told Gandhiji to take off his turban. He said, so he's telling to Gandhiji, if you make that change now, it will be misunderstood. Those wanted to wear those who wanted to wear the turban of their country will have a hard time, because at present they are in South Africa, right? So he said, if you want to wear the turban of their country, will have a hard time. Moreover, you look elegant, students. What do you mean by elegant? Elegant means very stylish, very graceful, with the turban of our country. Students, what do you mean by the turban? The turban is a head covering for a man. It is worn especially by Sikhs, and nowadays during of a wedding occasion also we wear. In Hindi we say pagri, right? Now, you will look like a waiter if you wear an English cap. Those words had worldly wisdom, also patriotism, and to an extent. Patriotism means love for one's country. So we continue. Those words had worldly wisdom, also patriotism, and to an extent a little conservatism. Now, students, what do you mean by conservatism? Conservatism means a tendency to preserve old customs. I wrote a letter to a newspaper about the incident in defense of me. Now, students, incident means this matter. In defense, what do you mean by defense? It is act of protecting something or somebody from attack or criticism, right? And of me and the turban, right? My turban was extensively means what, in a far reaching way, discussed in the newspaper. I hit the headlines. So in the newspaper headlines, as unwelcome visitor, right? Unwelcome means who is not invited. And within 3-4 days, without any effort, without any hard work, I got publicity. Publicity means he became famous in South Africa. Some took my side, some severely criticized me. What do you mean by criticize, students? To say what you do not like or think is wrong about something or somebody. Criticize me for my rudeness. My turban survived almost till the end. Survived means it continued to live, continues to stay with me till I was in Durban, South Africa. Right? So, here we complete the second part of the excerpt Unwelcome Visitor. Now, students, let's see some images. This is the images. Gandhiji, an autobiography, my experiment with truth. This is the book which Gandhiji has written, and his autobiography, the story of my experiment with truth. This is a Port Durban, student, right? See, you can see the ship. I told you what is the port, with a harbor where ships load and unload goods, right? Now we continue the next image. This is a quay. I told you what is a quay. It is a landing place, a platform along a coastline for ships or boats, right? So you see so many boats. So students, here we complete the lesson. Stay home, stay safe, and take care.